Subject English, Class 7, Unit 1, Healthy Life. Myself, Reshma Naik, your English teacher. Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are all fine and safe at home. Come on, let's start the lesson Healthy Life written by Pedro Pablo Sacristan. Children, in the beginning, you have an activity. You can see some pictures here. See, what is the boy doing? Yes, he is waking up. See the outline below. Wake up early and walk. Morning dew, freshness in the air. Beside a river, calm and cool. Farmers working, birds chirping. People doing exercise. Come back at sunrise. Keep healthy this way. Okay, before starting the lesson, let's introduce with new words. Furious, very angry. Potion, a liquid with magical powers or properties. Spell, a form of words, actions used as a charm, effect. Trap, a bad situation from which one cannot escape. Swamp, an area of soft wet land. Many years ago, everyone was strong and healthy. They ate varieties of food and loved fruits and vegetables. They took daily exercises and enjoyed walking, running, playing, and leaping about. The earth was the healthiest place you could imagine, and it was clear that both adults and children were full of joy and were in good moods. All this made one of the witches furious. She suggested that all the witches should come together to prepare a potion. One who drinks it would lose the desire to live. So that night, all the witches gathered in the forest. They all needed to put all their energy to make the potion, which would have a powerful spell on people. During the collection of energy, one of the witches made a mistake in uttering the words. As a result, there was a big explosion. It was so big that it completely destroyed the forest. As a result, it turned all the witches into tiny creatures like germs. They were trapped in a liquid in a small bottle which was lying in a swamp. One day, a little boy found this bottle, thinking it contained a nice new drink. He swallowed it fully. The germ-like witches took advantage of this situation. Though they could not physically harm anyone, they learned to change the boy's likes and dislikes. Okay, in the next class, I will continue this lesson. Children, let's check your understanding. Try to give the answers for these questions. Which was the healthiest place that you could imagine? Yes, the earth was the healthiest place that you could imagine. Second one, who was furious? Yes, one of the witches was furious. Third one, what made the potion go wrong? Yes, one of the witches made a mistake in uttering the words. This made the potion go wrong. Fourth one, what happened after the explosion? Okay, after the explosion, the forest was completely destroyed. Children, let's sum up the lesson. Many years ago, Earth was the healthiest place. People were happy and healthy. They ate varieties of food and vegetables, took daily exercises. This made One of the witch furious and all the witches gathered. Children, I think you all might have seen witch in cartoon channel. Here is the picture of witch. They prepared the magic potion which went wrong and the witches were trapped in a bottle in the form of germs. Then a boy found the bottle on swamp and he swallowed it. Okay children, I think you all understood. Children, now open the page number 12. There is an activity. You have to fill up the application form, okay? Try to write the answers to these questions and send it to me. Thank you children. Stay home, stay safe.